how to make an AI cover song in any voice and any style. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with building your own AI voice song and cover. So simply head on over into Ease Us, and once you head on over into Ease Us, you're going to choose a file or the song that you want to cover. So ideally you want to do this with super popular and trending songs like Golden. Like this is a super popular song. Whatever popular song you want to cover in a different style or voice, you can just enter that over here. Once you do that, you can click on Start Separation, and this will basically separate all of the music and all of the lyrics from each other. Once they have been split, then you can proceed into the next step. So I'm just going to let it analyze and process this entire song, and I'm going to let it split the audio into two parts, which is going to be the music stem and the actual audio or the vocal stem. Because the reason why you need this is because whatever style that you want to convert your vocals into, you need the separate vocal file. So now you guys can see I have a separate vocal file. And I'm going to click on export, and then I want to export the vocal, and from here we can proceed. Now within this we can proceed with either a yearly plan or a monthly plan. You even have a pay-as-you-go plan, so you can choose to subscribe to any one of these plans as you prefer. Currently you guys can see it is offering us limited time discount, where it's going to provide you with a discount offer, and you can use that because it does give you a pretty substantial discount. Now I'm just going to proceed with this, and you guys can listen to this first before you get started with actual exports, and you can alter the volume. Once you do that, you're going to go into your voice studio on the bottom left. Now once you go into the voice studio on the bottom left, you can choose the AI voice that you want. So you can listen to the voices and choose whichever one you prefer. So this gives you an idea of the notes that they are, capable and best at doing. So you can listen to all of these, so you have a better idea of whichever one you prefer. I'm going to listen to all of these. So I'm going to go with this one over here, and once I do that, I want to click on Use Voice. Once I click on Use Voice over here, all I need to do is upload the vocal recording. So I'm going to click on Choose File, and once I do that, I'm just going to upload the MP3 of the song that I want this particular voice to sing. I'm going with a classic over here, so I'm just going to be uploading that. And once our upload has been completed, then we can proceed with converting that into a different style. And this is how easy and simple it is to change any song into a different style as well. Waiting a couple of seconds, and once our audio has been processed, then it can proceed with conversion. So now I have taken the original recording of Fly Me to the Moon, and I've converted that into this particular AI voice. Now I'm going to first show you guys, or I'm going to play the original, and then I'm going to play this altered version. So let's just play the original first and then listen to the altered version.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
So this was the original. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard this. So now let's play the remastered version with the help of AI.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, oh my. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song, sing forevermore. You are all I long, and I worship and adore. Your words, please be true.
So you guys can see it sounds really beautiful, and I can just click on download on the top right to be able to download this cover version. Now another amazing thing you can do is that if you go into the voice studio, let's build a different version of this. So if I want to change this into a different style, I can go back into my AI studio, and from my AI studio I can use a different voice instead. And ideally it is better if you do this with a vocal only. If you remove the instrumental from the background, you have a little bit more liberty on how you want it to sound. But I'm going to take a very soft sound right now. The sound of grace is really soft here, so I'm going to click on Use Voice, and I'm going to use this. And then we're going to take the same song, which is Fly Me to the Moon, and we're going to upload this. However, one really important thing to note is that if you want to use your native stem splitter or voice remover and you want to make some more advanced changes into the song that you're creating, then it is going to cost you money. So you're going to have to upgrade if those are the features that you're utilizing. However, if you already have vocal recordings of your favorite songs and you just want to play them in the form of, different voices and change the style of the voices with the help of AI, then you can do that completely for free. Right now it is analyzing. Sometimes too many requests, it might fail an analysis, but you can just re-upload this. And then large files may require more time to upload, so you do have to keep that into consideration. And once your upload is complete, we're just gonna wait. And there's one person in queue, which will take about 82 seconds. Please be patient. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes it's very instantaneous. It depends on the time of day and the day as well when you are generating your audio or generating your song. So just be patient and you're gonna have to wait a few minutes for it to be completed. And once it has completed, you can proceed. Right now it is just going to be processing. And once the processing is complete, I'm going to cancel this for now because I do want to first show you guys the pricing of this platform. Now, one really important thing is that when you're opting for pay as you go, you're going to get 500 minutes of import and export, whereas if you're opting for a membership, you get unlimited in both their monthly and yearly plan. So although the subscription is going to be a month-on-month cost, if you are only subscribed, even if you end up using your 500 minutes within the first 2 months, it would just be cheaper for you to opt for a monthly membership because it would give you unlimited imports and exports, as well as imports from YouTube, SoundCloud, and many other features. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.